On 18th October 2022, the MLA of North Shillong constituency, Adalbert Nongrum, who expressed concern about the congestion in the area resulting from daily traffic jam and other maintenance activities of a few government departments, had inspected the Jayao Motprang Road, which falls under his constituency, to personally assess the situation. It may be mentioned that the laying of pipelines by the PHE department and the municipal board along the particular road has caused much inconvenience to both the flow of traffic and to passers-by as well. Speaking to media persons, Adalbert Nongrum informed that the inspection was conducted in the presence of the headmen of localities under North Shillong constituency, officials of the PWD and PHE departments, those of the municipal board, police officers of the Lumdingri police station in charge of traffic, and other concerned authorities. He added that the laying of the Phase 3 water pipeline along the road is in a haphazard manner, wherein proper topping of the drain and road was absent. This, Nongrum said, has added to the congestion in the area. While referring to the centenary celebration starting on the 4th of November of the Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital situated in Jayao, the North Shillong MLA expressed his desire for the inconveniences to be removed as soon as possible so that the general public does not suffer, and the celebration of the 100th year of service of one of Meghalaya's renowned health institutions to be a success.
So hani ka step sisian hapon wan mandi okchat yang kumon mali hani ka jaga ringkat kejingya donang ringkat ki darbar senong di jongka Rio darbar pulun jongka darbar senong bukhar ko bahap jongka soson rasamtia waindo bukhar mission bawa thabul ki bat ka darbar senong jongka jiau pulun bahap jongka jiau siap darbar senong jiau redo darbar senong bat ka jiau prek bat kumju naga langsning di hani ka step ni donang rekat berkuwi ki department bala mi khamat lamba ki executive engineer jong perudi jong PHE berkumju jong municipal berkumju nak kalian ke police department donang rekat ki police traffic in charge ba chetri ba David marah police bun hani ka step mahapon one biang ban yu kejat nak kapor nak banta ba kumluban persang nak kumluban deheng banat ani ka deheng kali jing deheng kali ani ka congestion ba khamnya ba khata pran ka ya ka yang ni kawan cukup beriu nak kapor di begini gidang ya kini ki ongoing construction mo nak kaliang jongka PHE na municipal gidang lay new pipeline banglaya involve lang iki banwara alam iki bakin simlam gajing kejikir clear aku bade wani bar sokhya lang umar bakla khata apla kaya kiyeng kali kawan ka movement ji paiba ka movement ji kali ki khana school tekla khata apla kala khamnya apla mar sabka surok ru ka bangin numra pene tede lor ta nongrim ka bagi one biah ni ka por hamta mate po spot joni ka circle mor pran ka bade balik chapo mission na ka por di bat mata singir video nang taksi asian ki member jota taksi asian by one video nang rekat bakla ajemut aku bade berkuwi ka benta ka de jong ka traffic ba nakaliang ka amut nakaliang taksi asian la ajemut khamat jongi lang boro bakis ai ka jingtho chapo ka police traffic police in charge chapo Lumdingri na ko benta baki dio bane trelang barki baki pai ba ka dio bane trelang bar kham tam ru kalong ba katei benta jong circle baki mdei shu batsha ban pendiar kali ban pendiar passenger ni ban kentiu passenger makla khata plan ngangit scam baki driver taksi ki driver auto lani baro ki bade ki naunya kali bakin sobha bakin maintain ya kata discipline kin sobha bakin don ka akor ka burom bakin do kicing snow na ko menta ka bit ka biang jong bun balang bat kham tam e ki pai ba ngara kerpat nomor klebo je tei lang bat pai ba num la hi bale ki kham tam mani ka bade ka kani ka traffic congestion ka bakta la slemba debat ngi sutu menta ba ki pai ba kelum la bale ala jong kamon rikin burom ha ka bangit kan malek taksi station kin yang be ala ki jong ki stand kum bala bu bat ko bala pen ko bor ki bala authorize ki hala ki jong ki panta bat kham tam ya barangit scam ba nada kata ki kita ki association ki bala ki jong parking ada ki pai ba ki berdongkam balik cari ki jong ki panta kilit nak kita ki banta ki bala bu parking na try kanum don kani jing dheng kali namar ko kong sandu mata ka dawai ke jing pulkhia jong ani ka jing dheng kali ka dei tangkoi ka bangi dong kam namar kham tam ngim don ni ki sok ki ba ngin la ban penli da ki we pat ki sorok lagi de ki lane kini ki small lane ki big lane ani ki ani kita ki sorok ban penhe te mar tak tak dau ngi sotu mata ba di tak ka jing trilang ka ban kam mata bandio ka free of traffic mo ban ka flow of traffic tega sisi pada ka flow of traffic sisi pada ka flow of traffic kanum don ki jing dheng kali alangi don ki lak teli kali ru kanum don ki jing dheng kali alangi don tak san teli spot teli khar san teli alangi don ki jing buro mar kiliang bala lagi mailat bakan don ka flow of traffic kamut ba ki jing dheng kali kan don pakali kan kita mat ya boro ki pai ba kemar tak tahu ngasim ni senjam bang ayai wan ka por kamdai kamram jawa beli don ki di concern department bakin le mereka de ka por ka bagino company trilang but ki various line department bara juga por ki dorbar senong but khamtam ru kumju taxi association bara juga por ki paiba ki di bani trilang but khamtam me ka ke ka ba kwa ban wan hani ban sim khia ban pen mau ban khia ya ni ka jing te jong ni ki jing bu ini ulain pathmai ulain PHC lembaga 3 phase bara juga por lembaga municipal ha ko dep ko ka single connection line body ban ai sipo jor do balai dom la shui kum tu la jan arbanai to bakani kala khata pra ikranti singking ka surok la shui jabo laju kala ilong karam bara juga por kala stop plat ya ka movement jogi taksi ba jogi pai ba kata di ko ban bar kham tam masuk ya kalong ba robot astal KGP robot astal kebangitip bahkan raki ya ka sautrik ya ka jingdap senam sispa senam nadu bala te ya ka ha jing ai jing chakri jog robot astal ya keleng ki saudong lembaga jing sumar barkani ka singi ka bangina ku kan no singi bapu opiang padel or tanong rim ngawan bangaban kia gini order line department bakin simkia bakin pendep hok la jong kamram bakin kentu ya ki contractor bakin le hok bakin pendep hok bakin tracy tom bakin pendep no hamstead yani ka kam bakan sateng ban kam tam bang kuat bani ka siru kan long ka ba suk ka ba don kata ka movement ka ba biang na borok kiliang bar kan long ru kasi ka bapu piang ya ni ka constituency bar kumju ya ka jiau hi ka ba robot style ka don hangthi po jaka na ka bantawan rakhi ini ka singi